How to fix CMUSBDAC.sys. Blue screen of death in Windows. Here are some tips. 1. Scan for potential malware using the recommended Avast Internet Security in this video guide. 2. Install the ASIO4all driver from https://www.asio4all.org. 3. Remove, via Device Manager, then reinstall the CMUSB audio class driver using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 4. Update all your device drivers via Avast driver updater. 5. Restore your Windows. 6. Reset Windows.